Hey guys, I'm getting a lot of questions about how to build a landing page that converts. I know it's tough territory to master, but it gets easier if you understand what you need to focus on. In this video, I'm going to discuss the key elements of a high converting landing page. There are 4 major elements for a landing page optimization: design, content, CTA, landing page testing. Each of these elements have sub-elements. Only on my blog, I've written an in-depth article on this subject. You can find the link in the article in the description box below. Okay, let's get back to the main elements. When it comes to your landing page design, you want to make sure you've got attractive images and engaging videos. Good typography and white space can make a world of difference. It can make your page look neater and more appealing. For landing page content, you need to win over your audience with compelling headlines. Also, don't forget to make it SEO friendly. It's all about getting more visibility. To build credibility, it's also a good idea to feature some clients' testimonials and achievements. So what's next? You want to motivate your users to take action. That's why it's important to feature prominent CTAs on your landing page. Additionally, you can also add lead capture forms, pop-ups, or top bars to drive conversions. So you're all set, yeah? Not really. Creating a stunning landing page is only half the job. You also need to keep track of how your users are responding to your landing page and make changes accordingly. You should A/B test and multivariate testing to optimize your landing page for higher conversion rates. I know it's a lot to process. It can be overwhelming to take care of every tiny detail, but I've found a tool that will help you make it easier to build higher converting landing pages. It's called GetResponse. GetResponse offers professionally designed landing page templates that are optimized for mobile devices. I've saved a ton of time with their landing page builder. It's super easy to use and has some amazing features. To get more leads, you can create pop-up forms and countdown timers easily. It also has a special option for SEO, A/B testing, and retargeting. For a detailed review of GetResponse, you can check out my other video. The best part is that you're going to get a free 30-day trial. You can check out the video here. If you have any questions about the landing page elements, please leave a comment below. I'll be happy to help you out.